Hi, CP Algebra 1. This is SLE worksheet number 7. So we're combining like terms first. So I have a 1y and I have a negative 3y. So that gives me negative 2y minus 16 is equal to 0. Then go ahead and solve it. Add 16 to both sides. So you get negative 2y is equal to 16. Divide each side by negative 2. And we wind up getting y equals negative 8 because 16 divided by negative 2 is a negative answer. Problem number 3, let's combine our like terms. So the 8 and the negative 2y, that's going to give me 6y plus 4 equals 22. Now we'll draw our line. Subtract 4 from both sides. So I'm going to get 6y is equal to 18. Divide by 6, divide by 6. So y equals 3. Number 5, I have a negative 6y and that positive 4y, so that's 2y plus 9 equals negative 3. Subtract 9 from both sides. Those will cancel, so I get negative 2y equals negative 12. And divide each side by negative 2. And y is equal to 6. Let's see, number 7. I'm going to subtract 17 from both sides. So 16 minus 17 is negative 1 equals negative t. And we just multiply both sides by negative 1. So we get 1 equals t, or t equals 1. Problem number 9, we're going to multiply both sides by 4. The 4's are going to cancel out, so I'll have b plus 7 equals 36, because 9 times 4 is 36. Subtract 7 from both sides, so I get b equals 29. Number 11, I'm going to combine my c values. So 12c plus 6c is 18c equals 36. Divide each side by 18. Those cancel, so c is equal to 2 because 36 over 18 is 2. Number 13, I'm going to combine my z's. So I have negative 18. 15 minus 18z is going to be negative 3z plus 12. To make our line, subtract 12 from both sides. So I get negative 30 equals negative 3z. Divide each side by negative 3. And so z will be equal to positive 10. All right, number 15. The sum of 3 consecutive numbers is 72. What is the smallest number? So consecutive means one after the other. So like 7, 8, and 9 are consecutive numbers. They're right in a row. So we have 3 consecutive numbers. Okay. They sum up to, sum means plus, is equals 72. So if they're consecutive numbers, it means you have to add 1 to each time. So I have x, x plus 1, and x plus 2. That's how I would have consecutive numbers. Okay, so x plus x plus x, or 1x plus 1x plus 1x is 3x. 1 plus 2 is 3. It's equal to 72. Subtract 3 from both sides. So I get 3x is equal to, is that 69? Divide each side by 3. So x is equal to 23. And they wanted the smallest number. Well, the smallest number is going to be x, so x is 23. Okay, number 17. 247 students are traveling on a field trip. 7 students must travel in a chaperone's car. The remaining students are split evenly amongst 6 buses. How many can fit in each bus? Okay, so I have 6 buses, and then 7 kids have to go into the chaperone's car. So there's just these 7 that are outside of the buses. And there was 247 total. So I have 6 buses plus the 7 that go into the other car is going to account for the 247. Subtract 7 from both sides, so I get 6b equals 240. Divide each side by 6. So b is equal to 40. So it looks like there are 40 students in each of the buses, of the 6 buses, and then the other 7 kids get a ride with a chaperone. That's it.